Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to do conditional formatting using background color in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. I've already created the table on the basis of subcategory, sum of sales, and sum of profit. Now we want to do the conditional formatting of this table. So just a minute, fit to width. Okay, click here. Activate the conditional formatting background color. So the options available are format style. It should be gradient based, rules based, or field value. Let's keep it gradient based. Values only, values and totals, totals only. Keep values only. It should be on the basis of sum of sales. Yes. Should we plot it? What should be the statistics which should be used? Sum, average, minimum, maximum. Keep it sum only. So the lowest value is indicated by light shade and the highest value is indicated by the dark shade, right? Click OK and you can see. Now just click here. So the data will be arranged in ascending or descending order. So this is how you can do the conditional formatting using the background colors in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.